So I decided to make a giveaway, a kawaii giveaway, and for rules, please check in the description box. So first I have this monkey. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. I used to, but I forgot. This really cute pouch thing that has a lot of eraser in it. I can't see. Really cute erasers. That will be in it. So this is really cute diary of a wimpy kid diary. Oh, sorry. Super squishy. It did come in a packaging, but I opened it, so I put it in this package. This little kitty book thing. This really glittery pouch that has pink, red, and yellow glitter in it. This pink pig animal fan. This blue panda animal fan. This yellow chickie animal fan. Green frog animal fan. Milk cow animal fan. Wait, let me get. Here is this little cute pencil that's so tiny. My hand is really small, and look, it's like shorter than my hands. Yeah, I have paint on my hand, so sorry. I have this penguin crayon or something comes out. It's still cute. This bracelet. It's stretchy, so don't worry about your size. This bracelet is stretchy too. There's one more. This really cute bracelet. So that's all. So there will be one winner, and thanks for watching. Read the rules at the description box.